Hi, welcome to Klassic Bathroom and Home, the best place for you to shop your luxurious, unique and durable kitchen accessories and sanitary wares. My name is Christy. Join me as I take you around our stunning showroom, showcasing our stunning kitchen accessories and sanitary wares. Firstly, let's explore our kitchenware collections. As you can see, these are kitchen done by us, and also we are into furniture construction, cabinets, TV console, and so on. And I would like to take you around the kitchen. Now, this is our pantry. You can see how strong it is. It is anti-rust, and you can see how quality it is. This is our oven, and then microwave. Alright, these are gas cooker, kitchen hood. You can see there are different sizes and different brands as well. They are all quality. Now this is our luxurious mixers. These mixers are anti-rust. They are durable and zinc. It is anti-scratch. It's anti-rust. Now let's move on to our sanitary ware collections. Our extensive range include bathtubs, shower, toilets, jacuzzi, and more. All designed with comfort, hygiene, durability, and style in mind. As you can see, these are luxurious bathtubs. And these are unique marble wash basin and its mirror. These are toilet accessories. As you can see, we have our multiple toy hanger, we have our soap dish, we have our tissue holder, we have our shelf. These are golden toilet accessories. As you can see, it has soap dish and tissue holder. Look how luxurious it is. It has towel hanger. These are suspended basin, and then look at how our vanity basin, how luxurious it is looking. They are durable. These are sit and rest WC. They are slow close. They have pressure fluxion. We have various brand, shapes, and all of it. and they are durable. We have set, okay, these sections are conceal or wall hung WC. Look at how luxurious it looks. They are slow close, they are durable, very strong, have high pressure inflection. They are of different shape and size. Please note, our advanced toilet system features cutting-edge technology for water efficiency and hygiene. This is our complete shower set. You can see how colorful and beautiful they're looking. It's a thermostatic shower. And this one has a special duty. It massages your body. Just as the name implies, it's a power shower. Alright, these are luxurious cabinets. You can see the mirror, how unique it is looking with cabinet spacing. You can see how well it is. These are other cabinets. You can see the cabinet spacing. Jacuzzi. You can see how luxurious it looks inside. It has MP where you can connect your phone. As you're bathing, you can be making call. So having jacuzzi in your home cannot be re-emphasized. It's very significant as it helps you to reduce weight, reduce your stress, it helps in joint and muscle pains. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Klassic Bathroom and Homes. Do wait to visit us today at number 2 Ezimgbu Road, off Stadium Road, GRA Port Harcourt, Rivers State. My name is Christy. Thank you and bye for now.